Good morning children, welcome back to Google Classroom supported by Sri Gokulam Public School Guruvayur. This is your mathematics period. We did the chapter measurements and today we do the problems from exercise 2. Afterwards we will introduce the measurement of mass or weight. In our daily life, this concept is very useful to us and very familiar for us. So we can watch the class. From the topic length, we can do some story problems now. Rakesh is 1.35 meter tall. Mahesh is 130 centimeter tall. Who is taller by how much? This is the question. Observing this question, we can understand that here this measurement is in meter and this measurement is in centimeter. So it is very easy if we are converting both measurements in same unit. That means either to meter or to centimeter. Here we can convert meter to centimeter. So height of Rakesh 1.35 meter means 1.35 into 100 centimeter because 100 centimeter is 1 meter. So meter to centimeter multiply by 100. So we will get 135 centimeter. Here 2 zeros over 1 is multiplying with the decimal number. So 2 decimal place will move, decimal point will move 2 places to the right. Multiplication point will move to the right. Division, decimal point will move to the left. Remember that. Height of Mahesh is 130 centimeter. One more question is there. Who is taller by how much? Who is taller here? That is very clear. Rakesh is taller. He is 135 centimeter and Mahesh is 130 centimeter. By how much we can calculate by finding the difference. Okay. So how we will find the difference? First we will write the bigger one minus smaller one. So difference in height 135 minus 130 centimeter. 35 minus 35. So 135 minus 135 centimeter is the difference in height. So Rakesh is 5 centimeter taller than Mahesh. Understood? Question B. Rakesh is 1.35 meter tall. His sister Kriti is 15 centimeter taller than him. What is Kriti's height? Height of Rakesh is given 1.35 meter. Here also we can convert meter into centimeter because here Kriti is 15 centimeter taller. So we can add easily if the units are same. If we add or subtract length or anything, we should use the same units. Okay, that's an important thing. So here 1.35 meter into 100 will give centimeter, 135 centimeter. I hope you all very know to convert decimal points while we multiplying with 100,000 or 10,000 etc. Then Kriti's height. What is given here? Kriti is 15 centimeter taller than Rakesh. Taller than means it should be added. It should be added. So 135 plus 15 we will get 150 centimeter. So height normally we can write in meter. So 150 by 100 meter. Centimeter to meter division by 100. Meter to centimeter multiply by 100. So 1.50 meter. Okay. Next topics, measurement of mass or weight. So what was the last topic we have discussed? Measurement of length. In length, meter, centimeter, kilometer, etc. units we used. Here, the measurement of mass or weight. You have heard the weight in milligram, kilogram or gram. So here, the basic unit of mass is gram. Gram is the basic unit of mass or weight. Kilogram is the multiple of a gram. Kilogram is a multiple of a gram. That means 1000 gram will make 1 kilogram. 1 kilogram is 1000 gram. Milligram used to measure very small weights. Okay, milligram. So we can conclude 1000 milligram is 1 gram. 1000 milligram is equal to 1 gram. 1000 gram is equal to 1 kilogram. Kilogram can be written as using kg, kilogram, and milligram, mg, gram, g. Okay. Here also we can use the decimals. So we found 1000 gram is 1 kilogram. So gram, how can we express in kilogram? Dividing by 1000. So 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. So 1 gram is equal to 1 by 1000 kg. 1 gram is equal to 1 by 1000 kg. 1 by 1000 means while dividing by 1000, how many decimal places will move the decimal point? 3 decimal places. To where? To left. So this will become 0.001 kg. 1 gram is equal to 0.001 kg. 3 decimal places to the left. Here 1 only, we should add 2 zeros to the left, then decimal point. If not as many places are there, we should add zeros to the left. Okay, here only 1. There is no 3 digits to move, so we will add 2 zeros with this 1. So we will get 0.001 kg. Okay. 500 gram, how will you write in kg? 500 by 1000 kg. 500 by 1000, 0.5 kg. Here also 3 decimal places to the left, 0.5 will become. 750 gram, 750 by 1000. So 0.750 kg. Then 5 kg, 750 gram. 5 is already in kg. We have to convert 750 gram to kg. So 750 by 1000 kg, 5.75 kg. Okay. So these are the conversions. Do more problems. These problems are not enough. You do more and more problems. Okay. Example 1. My dog Sasha weighs 4585 gram. What is Sasha's mass in kg? Understood the question? Weight is given in gram. This should be converted into kilogram. That is the question. So weight of Sasha 4585 gram. So weight in kg, this much divided by 1000. 1, 2, 3 places and then decimal point. From right 3 places. From right 3 places. 1, 2, 3 then decimal point. Because here 1, 2, 3 zeros. Understood? So we will get 4.585 kilogram. This is the method to convert gram to kg divided by 1000. So Sasha's weight in kg 4.585 kg. Okay. Next. My school bag weighs 3.25 kg. How many grams is that? How many grams is 3.25 kg? That is the question. Okay. Very easy. 3.25 kg is equal to 3.25 into 1000 gram. Okay, into 1000. Gram to kg we divided, but in this question kg to gram, kilogram to gram we have to multiply with 1000. While multiplying 1, 2, 3 places to the right decimal point will move, but here only 2 places. So what we will do? 1 0 we will add here. So 3 already before decimal point we written, then 1, 2, 3 places also will be here 250. 3250 gram. So remember kilogram to gram multiply with 1000. Okay. One apple weighs 0.125 kg. How much do 8 apples weigh? 1. Weight of 1 is given. Weight of 8 we should add. What is the method? Unitary method. 1 is given. We have to find many. So, this weight should be multiplied with 8. So, weight of 8 apples is equal to 0.125. That is weight of 1 apple into 8. So, 0.125 we will get 125 into 8 is equal to 1000. Okay. So, here how many decimal places? 1, 2, 3 decimal places. So, 1, 2, 3 we will move and we will get 1.0 kg. That is the method. Okay. Multiply and move 3 decimal places. Next one. 0.955 kg is dash gram. Kilogram to gram into 1000. Into 1000. 3 places. 1, 2, 3. So, 955 gram. This is the answer. So, children, do many problems in your rough book and study well. Very simple topic, but by careless sometimes you will may get mistakes. To avoid mistakes, you should do more and more problems. Thank you, children. In the next video, we can meet again. Okay.